But let's go see. Ooh. Hello. Hi. Yeah, where I'm from, we can have deer real close to us. I mean, I'm standing at the end of my driveway and they're at my neighbor's house in their yard. That's why I no more cross the street. That's insane. But you guys have a good one. Stay warm. There's a lot of snow out here. A lot. But not much on that mailbox. Still watching these guys though. I know it's a snowstorm, guys. It's cold. Probably for all you deer hunters, you guys probably feel jealous right now because I'm like 50 feet away from deer, even though there's babies next to the mom. And all y'all look at bucks, but guess what? This is every day. You guys stay warm, okay? You guys are collecting snow on your back too, huh? I think I got one pooping. If you guys always want to know what a deer looks like when he's pooping, there you go. Yep. Whew. Still a lot of snow. I'll be back in about another hour.